Well, I would like to reintroduce to you a project that we had in the shop, customers build, back in rotation. We're getting back on it. Just gonna give you a quick recap. We've done a bunch of work on it already. 91 Nissan 300ZX Z32 chassis code. So this is a Skyline engine, GTR engine. We did an RB swap in it. It's a fully built raw brokerage motor. We fabricated some custom motor mounts for it. And we also modified the subframe to be able to accommodate, you know, the engine. We also did a Rips oil sump on it. Probably put it up in the air so you guys can check out underneath, just kind of go over some stuff there, but we'll stop with the top side. We're gonna be running AC. It's gonna be a street car. So we got AC, got an oil cooler, got a big old intercooler, rocking our bash bar in the front. This is without a jack point. Did a bunch of titanium on it already, so all that's done, at least for the cold side. Started on the titanium downpipe, so we got the downpipe finished. We're gonna be building the rest of it as well. We also have a titanium wastegate dump as well. It's gonna be pretty wicked. Rocking some Work Zeist Black Label wheels. These are 19s, 11 in the front, 12.5 in the back. 350Z big brake kit. It's got a twin Z full body kit on. So it's got every piece that you can imagine. Strip the interior down. We're gonna be doing, we have to finish up the cage. We started on it. We got the main hoop done and some of the back. So we still gotta finish the X. We're gonna be running some stuff from the front, some dimple dies, you know, a lot of fun stuff. So this car is gonna be fully on a Haltech. Rear mount radiator. We're gonna be doing, if you ever done one of these swaps or looked at them, they're kind of hard because there's not a lot of room in the front. Nice unit, really nice unit from C&R. Their new Spall brushless fans. Very excited to be using these. Very high quality, nice radiator. Really like those. I believe this radiator is used a lot in the drift cars. Cut out a lot of stuff back here to give a better base for the cage to tie into. So we kind of cut out a bunch of stuff and remade some boxes back here. Yeah, I kind of just drew up some rough paneling. We're gonna do like a Lexan window. Want to keep some window, and then the rest is gonna be a duct. So, you know, again, this is all just a rough idea, but the idea is to have some ducting come in from the windows to feed the radiator. We do have a carbon hatch with inverted back panel. The back glass is gone, and then it's got that little invert here. Some kind of heat extraction back here, as well as that third panel. We'll do something. We're gonna have a lot of fun. There's gonna be a lot of fabrication going on in the back. You know, business up front, party in the back. A lot of funky stuff going on back here. You know, we're gonna have a big diffuser. We're gonna get real creative with the exhaust. We're gonna get real creative with any kind of ducting, as well as heat extraction. It's gonna be a track-inspired street car. It's gonna have a dash, some race car elements, you know, switches, gauges, suede, things like that. It's gonna have door panels, but everything from there back is gonna be all like custom sheet metal fabrication, things like that. Moving on underneath, you can see we got a bunch of goodies back here. Got some SPL control arms, really nice units, solid subframe bushings, got some coilovers. Built a custom tranny mount for this, and then our custom modified subframe with the Rips front sump system, some tie wastegate plumbing, some more SPL control arms. Got our big intercooler, big brake kit. I think that about wraps it up. Like I said, I just wanted to give you a quick introduction. Wanted to give you a quick reintroduction to this car. Stay tuned for all the fun.